Hello. In this video, we're going to look at how to get data onto the device using the Dropbox downloading function of the app. So there's really two ways to get data onto the device. The first way is to physically plug your device into a computer and transfer files over. And that's done just like a normal hard drive. So you can just copy and paste any files you want onto the device. You can put them anywhere on the device and the app will find them as long as they're .lfview files or .prj projection files. It will recognize those as files that are used in the app and list them accordingly. It's advisable to put any files into the Leapfrog Aspect folder on the internal storage of the device, just so it speeds up the search process. The alternative is to use the Dropbox download method, and this is preferable, especially if you have a good data connection, whether it's in the office using Wi-Fi or if you have cell connection out in the field or anything else. In this method, you simply put whatever files you want to use on the device into a folder that's built on Dropbox. It goes into Dropbox Apps. Leapfrog Aspect is the file path, and then you can put whatever files you want in there, and they're going to show up on this downloader, and you can pull them straight to the device. So to do so, I have the little cloud icon up in the top right corner. So I'm going to tap on that, and when you tap on it for the first time, you're going to have to go through the Dropbox steps of authorizing the app to use Dropbox, and I'm not going to do that here because it's really straightforward. If you've ever connected anything to Dropbox, it's really an easy process. So once that's connected to Dropbox, you can go back into the app and it'll list whatever files are available in that folder. So I have a whole bunch of different files in here. And so whichever file I want to pull down, if I want to grab a projection file, those are listed at the top, the .prj files, and then any other file that I would want to pull in. So I'll just grab a nice small file here somewhere, maybe this field of view reference arrow. So I'll pull that down really quick. And once it's pulled down, it lists right into the list of viewer files, so I can tap on it and load it up, and off I go. That's pretty much it. So really easy to use the Dropbox. One thing to keep in mind, if I decide to remove one of these files from the device, so if I decide I don't need this field of view reference arrow scene anymore, I can tap on the trash can icon and it's gonna remove it from the device. This does not remove it from Dropbox, so you don't have to worry about permanently deleting files or anything like that from your Dropbox if you delete them from the device. Likewise, if you make any edits to a file that you put into Dropbox, you're going to have to re-download it to the app. It doesn't stay in synchronization. So those are just a couple things to keep in mind. And yeah, hopefully this helps.